Why do crafts play such a crucial role in a toddler's development? Well, not only do they stimulate creativity and boost motor skills, but they also foster a sense of accomplishment and self-esteem. So, what better way to spend quality time with your little ones than engaging them in fun and educational craft activities? First up, we have paper plate animals. This activity takes a simple paper plate and transforms it into a wild safari of imagination. Start by encouraging your toddler to draw and color their favorite animals on the plates. Once they've finished their masterpieces, it's time to bring them to life by adding googly eyes. Don't forget to attach a craft stick at the bottom to turn their creation into a fun puppet. Next, we have an excellent way to recycle those old socks lying around your house. Sock puppets! Allow your toddler to decorate the socks with buttons, felt and markers. They can create anything from a cute bunny to a fierce dinosaur. This activity not only stimulates creativity but also helps in honing fine motor skills. Moving on, we have Fruit Loop necklaces. This craft is as simple as it is colourful. All you need is a string and some vibrant Fruit Loops. Have your toddler thread the Fruit Loops onto the yarn, creating a beautiful edible necklace. This activity not only encourages colour recognition but also improves hand-eye coordination. Next, let's dive into a world of colour with Handprint Art. Using non-toxic paint, your toddler can create anything from animals to flowers using their handprints. This activity not only encourages creativity, but also creates a lasting memory of their tiny hands. Finally, we have shape sorting. This activity is a fun and interactive way to introduce your toddler to different shapes and colors. Cut out various shapes from colored paper and have your toddler sort them into matching containers. This craft helps in developing their understanding of shapes and enhances their problem-solving skills. In conclusion, crafting with your toddler is more than just a fun pastime. It's a powerful tool for learning and development. From creating paper plate animals and sock puppets, to making Fruit Loop necklaces, handprint art, and shape sorting, these activities offer a plethora of benefits. They foster creativity, boost motor skills, enhance cognitive development, and above all, they create a bond between you and your little one that's as strong as the colourful yarn of their Fruit Loop necklace. So why not start crafting today? Remember to always supervise and ensure the crafts are age appropriate. Happy crafting!